This accord, yesterday we have a grand mass gathering there in Kobraja. We hope in near future, government is very positive. I hope they will fulfill all their assurance, whatever they have given to this accord clause. And yesterday also you have seen Modi is very forward. He is not in the back, but he is always in the forward. So we are very hoping that the clause of the demand or the accord will be fulfilled soon. And I request through this media, so all the peoples to be united. So let us come forward, all the communities, not only the poor, all the accords have been done for the benefits of these all the communities. So we'll live together peacefully and let us develop and make a peaceful region of this Boroland.
ইমান দিনৰ পিছত আপোনালোক ঘৰলৈ ঘূৰি আহিছে কেনেকৈ লাগে?
I too went day before yesterday there in my homeland, and today Bata he came in his own homeland. So it is up to him how he feels. But I cannot express myself to you all. But he will express himself. It is very after a long time we have been there in the jungle with many difficulties, with many struggles, with many shortage of these needy things, basic things. But now we have come forward, and it is very like a new journey of our life.
Future strategy কি হ'ব আপোনালোকৰ?
Future strategy we have been discussing.
Socially,
we have been discussing for unity of all these signatories. So we'll be united. We hope so, and we have been discussing. And after a few days, you will see what the result comes out, and it will come into.